It's beautiful out here. It's actually getting chilly. All right, guys, we're gonna do another lot walk. Let's get it.
I wanna take you home with me, baby. You and me alone tonight. I hold you.
Tell you what, this is gonna be a good one. Guys, every car here is located at maplemotors.com. We update Mondays, only Mondays, and it's usually around 12 o'clock, noon. You can get a description, you can get pricing, 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping, all that stuff's available. Just gotta go to the website, check it out. You can also pick up our new t-shirts under merchandise. You can find that in the first link below if you're interested. We're gonna get started here by telling you the year, the model, and the price of each car. If you'd like to dive in, get a little bit more information, watch the test drive videos going over all the flaws. That's also on the website as well. 1970 Olds Cutlass sitting here in the front. This is a drop top convertible and it's new to the site. $27,900. I gotta do a test drive video on it today. Let it warm up a little bit. Next to that, 1972 Chevy Chevelle. Green with the black vinyl top. Priced at $29,900. Next to that, it's more of an orange with a tan vinyl top. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This one's $29,900. What about the Primer 68 Chevelle? This one's $23,900. Picking up a bunch of Chevelles. Almost the whole entire front row here. 1969 Chevy Chevelle. $27,900. This one's blue with the black vinyl top. Then, of course, next to that, a 1971 Chevy Chevelle. This one here has got the LS motor, and it's $35,900. Told you it was going to be a good update. We just started, too. Later this week, I'll be releasing some new shirts. Me and my wife have been personally sending those out to everyone. Get a little gift along with the shirt. Try to personalize each order. Right here, 1968 Dodge Corvette. This one's only got the 318 in it, but it does run and drive good with the 4-speed transmission. And it's priced $30,900. Price has been dropped. This one here, 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This is a real SS car with a 4-speed. $36,900. And we got another 64 Impala. This one's got the big block. $30,900. What about this 1956 Chevrolet? This is a 210 model. It's got two-tone blue interior with a 5-speed transmission. This one's $31,900. Old Panda Chieftain, Pontiac. This one here is from 1956, $21,900. Black and white. trim on this is incredible. Chrysler Newport. Nice interior. From 1967. This one here is $12,900. Got the hot rod motor in the 67 D100. This one's going to be changing here soon. If it doesn't sell, it'll be changing drastically. It's $22,900. '66 Ford T-Bird, Thunderbird. This one's $14,900. This is a real Impala. They just put Caprice tail lights and headlights in it. This one here is a VIP Plymouth Fury. Runs and drives good. Video was just put out over the weekend and it's $12,900. Yeah, they changed some stuff on this. But it is a 95 Chevy Impala SS. As you can see, changed a little bit on the front end and the back. And it's $15,900. But yeah, everybody thinks it's a Caprice impersonating an Impala. But no, this is an Impala with Caprice stuff on it. It's all personal preference. If the guy didn't like the Impala stuff and liked the Caprice stuff better, that's why he did it. I don't know. He's not here. I didn't ask him. Guys, we're going to the showroom. We've got more cars to show you as well. So stick around for that, and I'll be back here in just a moment. One very popular attraction here at Maple Motors is Jim Flight's Hot Wheels store here on premises. He sells lots and lots of Hot Wheels every day, as you can see. And every weekend, he's adding new ones to the collection. What I like to do is come in here, tell you about it. We look around and pick out a car. We also have these shirts I keep mentioning. I just released these, like 2 months ago. And this week, we've got a whole nother batch, so we're going to have 4 designs. Well, 2 designs, 4 colors. You get the drift there. So let's go ahead and pick us one wall and we'll go boom. Check out the Hot Wheels. I like to zoom in on one. And everything is priced in here accordingly. He's got some that are $1. He's got some that are $100. Just depends on what you're looking for. You can check him out on Instagram. You can also check him out on YouTube here under Jim Flight's Hot Wheels store. Well, let's get back out there. Look at the Christmas ornaments. I might have to pick some of these up for my tree. I believe my mom's already got hers up. Yeah, it's not even Halloween. Of course, we're off in the showroom, and we got this 1975 Chevy Impala. It's priced $22,900 with a set of 4G autos and a 4G auto steering wheel. If you don't like the wheels or the steering wheel, they can be changed out and the price can be dropped. This truck here is awesome, guys. I put it out last week, made a full test drive video on it. See the big block under the hood. It's a 86 1500 Chevrolet. And it's got it going on. Custom interior. Just check out that test drive video. She sounds mean. Now this here is a real nice 1967 Plymouth Fury. It's probably one of the nicest ones we've had in a while. As you can see, the paint job is beautiful. And across the hood just looks wonderful. It's a really nice car. I don't think it'll be sitting around long. It's $29,900. Custom interior. It's got the touch screen, a custom headliner. Just a wild paint job. Test drive video will be coming now. I'll probably be doing it today. Everything else in the showroom is not available, just such as this. It was already sold. Let's get back out there to the car lot. See what else we got. Just like this 1965 Chevy C10 pickup. It'll be one of the first test drives released today. It's $22,900. Louis Dogs. And it was made a while back. And we got quite a few rides sitting back here, like this Fox Body Mustang. It's a, I believe it was an 89 model. It's a 5-speed, priced at $12,900. And then of course right next to that, got the VW, Volkswagen Beetle. And this one here is $99.50. It's patina. Got the Pontiac Trans Am sitting here. This one's T-tops from '85, priced at $12,900. And this Camaro here, T-tops $14,900 from 1992. It's just 1 year younger than me. It's $14,900. Yep. The old Plymouth Fury sitting here. Did a test drive on it last week, released it this weekend. Custom pinstriping all the way around. 1965 model Plymouth Fury, priced at $17,900. Huge sold bay of cars over there. Don't call about any of those. If I didn't mention it in the video, it's not available. Like that Chevelle, it's sitting out in the middle. Y'all would have called about it. It's on a truck going out. This one here is new. It's $29,900. Actually don't know much about it yet, but I will be figuring that out today. As I'm looking under the hood, if I was to guess, it's definitely a V8. It's probably a 350, but I'll double check that. It's got the AC compressor, power steering, chromed out brakes, chromed out panels. What year is this one? I think it was a 65 model. Pretty good looking truck, $29,900. I'll learn about these cars as I'm doing the test drives. We get them in. I have all family here, so 2 uncles will check these cars out. They buy them, they drive them, then they price them, and then I get a hold of them and I review them. So they've already reviewed them before, and then when I get a hold of them, I do the review for y'all so you know what you're getting before you get here. Let's go ahead and start on the little Mustang road. Pretty good looking cars. I like it sitting right in front of the lot, in front of the office here. I guess we'll start with this old Roadrunner. I did the video of this one already. 69 model Plymouth Roadrunner, 4-speed car, 383. She's $39,900. And it's a 4-speed car. Makes it even better. Next to that, 1965 convertible Mustang. This one's $29,900. And then we got 2 fastbacks beside each other. One red, one blue. This one's the 5.0 fuel injection. It's like out of a Fox Body early 90s Mustang. It's a 1970 model Mustang here. Again, 5.0 fuel injection, 5-speed, $42,900. A little bit more of a modern take. And then next to that, a 1970 fastback in blue. This one's $37,900. And then of course you got the orange drop top. This is a really nice one. It's from 1965 and it's $32,900. Oh, I'm not done yet. I've still got a whole entire row. We just picked up a S10 out there that's really nice, like a brand new paint job on it. And this one also is new. 1940 Ford sedan. Custom interior, custom paint, $30,900. I've got a lot to test drive this week. I think I'm 8 cars behind right now, but that's all right. That's because I was out of town. 1972 Dodge Challenger, right next to it, $29,900. And then we got a 1968 Pontiac Firebird sitting here. This one's $27,900. And it got the 67 Pontiac Firebird. This is a convertible car. And its price, $32,900. We've also got the 1968 Camaro. This one's fairly new to the inventory. $37,900. It's like a off gray, black vinyl top. Then we got the 1972 Chevrolet Nova. This is a true SS car, 4-speed transmission, priced at $37,900. Then you got the 1969 AMC AMX. This is a red, white, and blue themed car with a custom interior, priced at $29,900. Interior's wild on this one. If you haven't checked out the video, go watch it. And as you can see, Chevelle never made it. It's gone. It's on the trailer, rolling out. You know, about 4 to 5 cars each week sell before I could do a test drive video. People come in. This guy's actually a local customer. He buys a lot of cars from us anyways. Does a lot of trading. Yes, we do trading. We buy cars every day to stay in business. And if you do show up, pay attention to the sign. Don't block the driveway. It's the only way in and out. People still do it. That's why we had to put up 3 signs. Make people understand. We're gonna walk the lot one more time right after I pass by this S10. So we've got a 2001 Chevy S10 pickup truck. This thing is like new on the paint job, and it's priced $10,900. Bed cover, nice set of wheels and tires, stripes all the way around, dual exhaust. What we'll do is we'll walk the lot one more time. I'm gonna go to the sold bay back here and see if we had anything slip through the cracks. That happens every week. And if you haven't already, you could check out in our playlist these wheels. Jeff actually does wheels and tires here, and he sells wheels all the time. He's been doing it for 20 years. And these are available. He's got a bunch of sets of these in different sizes. This one's not available. This car's not available. This is what he drives. Real low mileage Impala. Everything else is pretty modern. I've been messing around with this Camaro. I've done a few things to it. I'm gonna make a mod video of the stuff that I've done. I've just been working on emblems because I made custom ones. Made a little video of how to make a custom one too. Just gotta have a 3D printer. All right, walking on to the back here. Showroom, Louis Dog, and then sold bay. What do we got in the sold bay? What slipped through the cracks? This one definitely did. Beautiful Chevelle. Never got the video. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I've gotten a lot of Chevelles this week, which is a good thing. One of the most popular cars that we sell is the Chevrolet Chevelle. This one here you've seen before, 65 GMC C10 pickup truck, two-tone. Went on back here. You've seen this one many times. Holding it for a customer that's already bought it. The 66 GTO. You've got the Nova. That's already slipped through the cracks. The Mustang, which you've seen. It's also been here a little bit in the sold bay. Monte Carlo. No Cutlass. Oh, goodness. Impala. Got the Mustang sitting here. No Chevrolet. And a pickup truck. So C10 step side. What we're going to do is walk the lot one more time. Just one more time. You know, we got the Mustang, the Beetle. It's $12,900. $99.50. Trans Am at $12,900. 91 or 92 Camaro. That was $14,900 with the T-tops. Plymouth Fury. $17,900. New C10 truck just came out, 65 model, $29,900. 40 Ford, $30,900. 72 Challenger, $29,900. 68 Firebird, $27,900. 67 Firebird, $32,900. 68 Camaro, $37,900. 72 Nova, $37,900. 69 AMX, $29,900. Jumping around a little bit crazy here. There's a lot of people out here trying to avoid them. So we'll go back to the corner where nobody is. We'll work our way back to the front row there. '95 Impala SS. Yes, real Impala SS. $15,900. 68 Plymouth Fury, $12,900. This might be the best deal on the lot. What's your favorite car this week? I know I've got mine picked out. 66 Ford T-Bird. Mustang's not available. Anything in the background that I don't mention, don't call on. D100, $22,900. Chrysler Newport, $12,900. Chieftain, $21,900. 210, $31,900. Impala, $30,900. Another 64 Impala, $36,900. Coronet, $30,900. We're actually missing a Cutlass. There's a blue one. It's not on the lot at the moment, and it'll be here. It's also a convertible. This one's a 1970. $27,900. 72 Chevelle, $29,900. 70 Chevelle, $29,900. 68 Chevelle, $23,900. 69 Chevelle, $27,900. And a 71, $35,900. Yeah, a little bit of everything today. It's pretty cute. S10, $10,900. Don't call on that Impala. It is not available. Please follow instructions. All right, I'm in a toss-up in my favorite two cars, but one of them's not here, and it is the convertible Cutlass. That is my ride of the week, and y'all haven't even seen it. Second, it's between the Roadrunner and the Fury in the showroom, the custom one. We'll go back and check it out. 69 Plymouth, Roadrunner 4-speed, $39,900. 65 Mustang, $29,900. 70 Mustang, $42,900. Another 70 Mustang, $37,900. And a 65 convertible, $32,900. But I must say, when the Cutlass comes back, you'll see it. I'll put the video out first thing. I just have to get a hold of it. The tie for second. It's the Roadrunner and this Plymouth. Plymouth Fury, man. $29,900. Oh, C10 truck or Chevrolet truck, $29,900. I mean, $20,900. Sorry, I'm starting to stumble here. Starting to stumble. Yes, sir, right there. All right, guys, there's people everywhere. I got a lot of test drives to do. And if you don't mind, subscribe, share this video. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. I do have financing available. It's very easy. You can get pre-approved. Wait around for your car to come in, because each week we get about 10 to 15 cars. We're running through 50 to 60 cars a month. Just to let you know, we do buy them every day. We do trade for them every day. And we are a family business. You can actually read a bio about us on the website at maplemotors.com. I say that a lot because it's very important. I do get messages on here all the time. Where are you located? Or what's the website? It's at the beginning, the end of the video. It's also said 10 to 15 times throughout the video. And the first link below in the description is the website. I try to make it easy. But if you can't find it, call us 615-822-4444. Each and every car here has a test drive video going over the flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. That makes things a lot easier for us. Well, and y'all, because most of you are out of state. There's people coming from all over the country every day. And I guarantee you half the people out here are not from Tennessee right now. There's somebody looking at the D100 over there. Huh. All right, let's get out of here. I got some work to do. Also, when you come into the lot, you can park right here next door where it says Maple Motors Customer Parking.